Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with the Snowman and Santa kit. It is a traditional type kit and it is lots of fun. So we've got the cover kit part of this one right here, and it has a snowman sticker. They're all different for each kit. You get a burlap square. It's a wired ribbon. You get this piece of wired ribbon that is sewn on the sides, some reindeer. This is one of the cloth pieces that you get. So this really cool red. You also get a piece of the plaid tablecloth. So that is the cover kit. Okay. Next is the tassel and trim kit, and in this you have some red eyelash trim, a blue plaid ribbon, a piece of material that you can cut in two pieces and have two pieces for your tassel or to top your tags. You've got this green with the multi-dot, you have red with white polka dots, you have a piece of white lace. You have this really cool piece of lace that I had gotten in that big bag of lace from Amour Fabriques. I highly recommend. On Sundays she does a live video and she sells things, and it's quite fun. It's an auction. First come first serve kind of thing though. The snowball yarn and a piece of the quilt looking material. So there we go. So that is the tassel and trim kit. You can use those to make a tassel. You can use them to top your tags, or just for paper clips and decorations throughout. You get this cute little bag, and inside of it has your tags and stickers. And so we have the little snow people, the car bringing home the tree. You get two ornaments with snowflakes on them, and the trees, two tree stickers, season's greetings tag. Okay, so let's go this way. You get the wreath tag. It's a sticker. Have yourself a Merry Christmas tag, and it also is a sticker. And antique looking Santa, and it's also a sticker. The deer sticker, the Merry Christmas. You get this label, two round Merry Christmas tags. Santa's going down the chimney, but don't tell anybody. Shh. You get some snowman puffy stickers and some Santa and reindeer puffy stickers. Santa's got his list. Everybody gets ugly sweater stickers. They're all different. A think alike card, a believe ribbon. Oh, he's checking it twice. There's Santa again card. You get a little cardboard toothpick tag thing, a Merry Christmas ornament tag, this tag here, 4 gold stickers. This is a place card or a little card, a label, a think alike card, Rolodex. You get an off-white or cream colored tag and a red tag cut from my Cricut. So that is that batch. Tags and stickers. Okay, next we have your large paper pack, and you get a pine to use. And here we go. So this is Santa or Snowmen and Santa. Snowmen and Santa. So there's the Snowman and Santa card and a snowman card with the present on the back. You get this set of gift tags, stickers. So there's Santa and a snowman and some Santa ones. You get blue tickets. You get some of the really pretty holly and ribbon computer paper. You get 2 of the North Pole papers. You get this Season's Greetings card with the little snowman on the back. And you can actually cut this and make a flip in your card, make tags. I mean, it is probably, unless you're making a landscape style December daily, which is my favorite, then you'd be able to use that. Okay, so a deer postcard, a couple of gift tags. Here's your note papers, starting with the vintage looking cardinal. You've got your Rudolph, so the night you watch Rudolph or the day you watch Rudolph, or you can talk about it if it's your favorite movie or why it's not. You've got Charlie Brown and Snoopy papers. A cardinal with music. This is a piece of the Ugly Sweater coloring book. A poinsettia note card, one that just says a note, but it's pretty flowers. Holiday wish list with the poinsettias down at the bottom. You have a large white envelope and this adorable snowman card. You get this really pretty paper with the glitter. You get a wish list, the magic of Christmas with the snowman and the kids down at the bottom. You get a naughty list, an elf class mail note card list, a Dear Santa, I've been really good, I swear list. You get a piece of wrapping paper that has Santas that you'll be able to cut out and make embellishments. You get this really, really cute, or pretty, actually beautiful napkin. So I can see it, I've said it many times, I can see it being tags. Just absolutely beautiful. I'm excited to be able to put that in there. There's Santa and one of the snowmen. There he is saying shh again. A large red envelope. There's your noisy paper. You get a coloring book page, a reversible index card, some children's art paper, this little red note paper, one of those coffee filters because I bought the wrong size, an index card, a couple of things to do, a time card, the small ledger that's double-sided, children's art paper, ledger paper, the wreath and the light paper, the lights and the ribbon, the ornaments, the snowman, there's your doily, and your little tiny Christmas coloring book page. This is another piece of wrapping paper, and you can cut out the different things out of it and use it to make embellishments. And your 8.5 by 11 piece of scrapbook paper, and you can use this to and use the template that is in the file section in the Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie, and make the 9 embellishment bases using that template. So this is, oh, we still have one more little goodie here, don't we? We still have the findings. Okay, so let's put these over here. So this is our little bag of, we call it the finding bag, and you get the actual little bag. So you do get the little bag. Your cardboard has a pin in it for you to make a charm, if you like, out of your snowman eraser. You get a snowman sticker, and he's real puffy. He's really cute. You get a red bottle cap. You could actually put a sticker on that if you can, and you could put a hole in it and make it into a charm. But just in case, you also get the sticker that goes inside your bottle cap, and then you're able to put it on a page. You get 3 of the butterfly clamps that can also be an angel, and I have videos of that, and we'll be doing more. You'll get this clothespin with the little Christmas tree, your large and small tassel washers, your tassel wire. You get a couple of paper clips, some of the red faceted bling, a little red clothespin, a snowflake metal charm, a red candy cane, isn't that cute? A candy cane eyelet, a present. That was a red present. You get a green present. There's your snowman eyelet. You get 2 teddy bear eyelets, 3 cream colored heart eyelets, and 2 red ovals. So that is your findings kit. So you have your findings kit, your tassel and trims kit, your tags and stickers, your large paper, and your cover kit. And all of those together, along with, this kit also comes with the Santa digital kit. It'll be sent to you by email when you place your order. And so this kit has these postcards. It's a page of 4 postcards. This one's a page of 3 postcards in the back of one. And it is dated 1911, December 23rd. You get this paper doll page, the old Santa Claus music, and this journaling card page. So these have all been printed at 8.5 or 8 by 10, but you can also print them at, like the music, print it wallet size and have little journaling cards of the wallet size. If you print the large pages at 5 by 7, they'll be like journaling card size. So they're really, really fun. So that is included with this kit. You also get the digital kit. So I hope you enjoyed this. I would love to know what's your favorite. I just love the Santa with the snowman, and I love that it's very traditional. I hope you enjoyed this video, and all of these kits, we still have a couple left, and they'll be coming hopefully before the end of July. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thank you for being here. Bye.